Morning, sir.
Good morning. Did you try a few questions here?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Have you all tried these questions which are related to addition subtraction?
Yes, sir.
You
Right,
found
sir.
anything difficult?
No, sir.
Take away from. It's a question related to subtraction.
Subtraction, sir.
It's easy.
Subtraction.
Second number minus first number, sir.
Yes.
Yes, second number minus the first number. Did you find these
Yes, sir.
questions easy?
Yes, sir. We find easy.
Which question you want me to simplify now?
All are based on same concept, sir. So it is easy.
All are based on same concept. Did you find anything difficult? The questions related
sir.
to product. See here, question number 26. I told
Yes,
you
sir.
will get these type of questions. Shall I solve this? 26th
Yes,
one.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
They have given x plus y is equal to 12. So what we do is x plus y equal to 12 we will consider, and we square on both the side. On squaring both the
Sir, you did this
sides,
question yesterday, sir. Sir, you did this question yesterday.
we have done this question.
Yes, sir.
This will be 2xy, which is equal to 144. Now x square plus y square, in the place of xy we will consider 14.
116. Answer, sir. 1
So x square plus y square will be equal to 144 minus 28,
28, which is equal to 116.
116. This was their
Yes, sir.
objective type. If they ask in detail, in this way you can solve it. So it's easy, right?
Yes, sir.
So what
This
is the
also on
syllabus for
similar
exam?
line. Yes, we have to decide on the syllabus for exam. Which
Yes,
all
sir.
chapters you want me to give?
Chapters which are finished after the midterms.
Sir, direct and
Which are the
inverse
chapters which are finished after the
Direct
midterm?
and inertia.
Exponents and powers.
One is
Exponent and
exponents
power.
and powers.
Comparing quantities.
proposals.
Comparing
Visualizing
quantities was
solid
before, no?
shapes.
Visualizing solid
No,
shape.
sir. Comparing quantities was over before the midterm exam.
Before the midterm exam, it was over.
We will randomly select chapters.
The direct and
So
inverse proposals.
visualizing solid shapes.
Yeah, this is easy. So you are asking this. Okay.
Mensuration, sir.
Mensuration, sir.
Sir, mensuration, sir.
Direct and inverse
Mensuration.
proportions.
Direct
Factorization,
and
sir.
inverse.
Factorization, sir.
It was over.
Direct and inverse
Factorization has come.
Over.
Introduction to graphs, sir.
Yes, sir. Introduction to graphs. 5
And
chapters.
playing
only.
with numbers.
5 chapters is enough.
I check.
This is also a very easy chapter, man. Playing with the numbers.
Sir, this is PT3 exam, no, sir.
Yeah. This will be for
So
50
let's
marks.
see.
Sir, on a average basis,
MCQ
when can the
type
annual
questions.
exam be there, sir?
Annual examination,
March.
it is
March.
April, sir.
candidate.
March
Let's
or
see.
April.
March or
Let's see
April.
after this exam. These
So
all
all
are
these
very
chapters will
easy
come.
one, yeah. This is easy. Introduction to graph is easy. Visualizing solid shape is easy. You give one more chapter.
Okay.
Factorization, sir.
Mensuration is tough, sir.
Mensuration is tough, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tough, sir.
So these are enough?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Enough, sir.
Okay. This is a
Six
syllabus
chapters.
for PT3.
PT3.
Sir, only 3 chapters, sir.
No,
Six.
yaar, 6 chapters.
6, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I have ticked this because these are easy.
Yes, sir.
So the same thing I am going to share it in the group, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
6 chapters.
Done. Now we'll move on with these questions. Here, this is little different. The concept is same. The question here is to find the value of 9x square plus 4y square. We will consider the same 3x plus 2y, which is equal to 12, which is given. From this given, we will square on both the sides. On squaring both the side, this becomes a plus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So 2 times of 3x into 2y, which is equal to 144. This will be 9x square plus 4y square plus 2
12xy.
into 3 into 2 is 12xy, which is equal to 144. Now the place of xy we have to replace
6.
with 6. So 9x square plus 4y square will become equal to 144 minus 12 times of 6, which is 72.
Yes, sir.
So 72
72,
subtracted
sir.
from 144 is again 72.
Yes,
So the
sir.
answer is 72.
72.
9x square plus 4y square is equal to 72.
The method is same. From the given, we are squaring on both the sides. This is a different question. 29th question is different. They have asked to find the value of 2x plus y and 2x minus y. How do we find?
Sir, here
Sir,
4x
a
square
minus b
minus
and a plus b, sir. A minus b and a plus.
But we are not asked to
Sir,
find
we
the
can
product.
change y square as minus y square, sir. The value will be same, sir.
Y
Sir,
square
here, sir,
minus y
2x
square
plus y
value will be
whole
same.
square.
Value will not be same.
Sir, here we can change 2ab minus 2ab and plus 2ab is there, no, sir. Here we can just simply remove plus and put minus in first equations.
Like how?
Sir, now 4x square plus y square is, we can write it as 2x plus y whole square is equal
No,
to
this can be written only as 2x whole square plus y square equal to 40. Further, we cannot do anything.
So can we write it
Yes, sir.
as 2x plus y whole square?
both sides, sir. We
4
get
plus
Sir, we
2x.
can write, sir, 2x
No, we cannot write like that.
square
We
plus y
cannot,
square.
sir, we can write it as
sir,
2x
we square
minus y
both
square.
sides, sir.
This cannot
Sir,
be
if instead of
positive
yes,
should
sir.
not be taken as
2x
minus.
minus y square, sir.
You should not
Yes,
take
sir.
like that.
We can't take, sir, because it is a positive. 2x
Not take.
Sir,
square.
2ab is square, no, sir. We have to add
Do with
squaring
this.
to both sides.
Yes, sir. If we make a whole square, then squaring both sides, then 2ab will means 8xy. No,
No,
A square plus b square
we
plus
will not
2ab.
get like that. So what can be done? Let us try with a different method. They have given xy equal to 6. So
Yes,
we
sir.
can
They
2x
consider
plus
y
y is
as
equal to 16,
6
sir.
by x. So wherever y is there here, we will replace with 6 by x. So 4x square plus, instead of y square, we will replace with 6 by x whole square, which is equal to 40. Let us simplify this. This will be 4x square plus 36 divided by x square, which is equal to
Yes, sir.
40.
40.
Now we have to
Yes,
take the
sir,
LCM.
it can come.
LCM
Sir,
will become x square. So this has to be 4x to the power 4 plus 36, which
36.
is equal to 40. Now I will do cross multiplication. If you do cross multiplication, we get 4x to the power 4 plus 36 equal to 40x square.
40x square.
This can be written as an equation. 4x square minus 40x, sorry, 4x to the power 4 minus 40x square
X square.
plus 36 equal to 0. So we have got a equation. Now certain things we can do. We can divide both the side by 4. If we are dividing by 4, this 4 gets off. We get only x to the power 4 minus 10 times of x square plus
Plus
9.
4.
9.
Why
Yes,
we should
9.
We are
divide by
dividing.
4, sir?
Since 4 is
Why?
common in all the terms here in the numerator, 4 is taken as common, and 0 by 4 will become equal to 0. Instead of writing in that way, I have told we can divide both the side by 4. So we got an equation here. Let us consider some letter a to be equal to x square. Then the equation becomes a square minus 10a plus 9 equal to 0. We can solve this equation if you
Sir, I
consider
did.
sum and the product. Minus 9a minus 1a, if you consider, the product will become equal to positive 9. Here the sum is negative 10, product is positive 9. So we can choose minus 9 into minus 1. Product becomes equal to positive 9. Minus 9 added to minus 1. It becomes minus 10. So this is splitting the middle term method. If a is taken common here, we get a minus 9. Minus 1 is taken common, we get a minus 9 equal to 0. So we get a minus 9 common into a minus 1 equal to 0. Here
Yes, sir.
the product is 0. So it means a minus 9 should be 0, or else a minus 1 is 0. In such case, the value of a can be 9
either A
or
is
it can
9
be
or
1.
1.
This is x square value. So what we have got now is x square value. So x square can be 9. This implies that x can be plus or minus 3. X square
Sir,
is
if
equal
I'm
to
going
1.
for a long process, I
It
found the
can be
answer. Sir.
plus or minus 1. This is value of x. So if you consider, if value of x is positive 3, the value of y becomes 6 by 3, which is 2. If x value is taken as minus 3, y value will become minus 2. If x value is taken as minus 1, value of y becomes minus 1 by, sorry, minus 6. If x
Yes,
value is
sir.
taken as positive 1, y value is 6. So with these, we can find the value of x, 2x plus y, 2x minus y. With this combination 3 and 2, 2x plus y means 2 times of 3 plus 2. It will be that 8. So this becomes 8. 2x minus y, 2 times of 3 minus 2. 2 times of 3 is 6, 6 minus 2 is 4. 8 and 4 could be one of the answer. If you consider
Yes, sir.
minus, if this is
Sir,
minus, Yeah.
Sir, I
We
will
can
explain.
do like this also, no, sir. Here 4x square plus y square, we can make whole square, and then we can minus 2ab in the RHS. We know when we do minus 2ab, it will become 2xy. Minus 2xy. We know xy, sir. So minus 12. 40 minus 12 we have to do. Then 30. 40 minus 12.
40 minus 14, sir. 6 4 are 24. 40 minus
Sir,
24.
40 minus 24 we have to do, sir. Then
Sir, but in the right hand side we have to square, sir. If we are squaring on the left hand side,
We have to
Yes, sir.
square on both the sides.
so sir, right hand side will become 1600, sir.
Abhinav told that he has a shortcut method. What is that shortcut method, Abhinav?
That only, sir. Sir, 4x square plus y square. We have to square both sides, sir. 2x square.
It becomes to the
2x.
power 4.
No, sir. 2x
Yes, sir.
plus
4
y whole square
to the
is
power
equal to
y square.
40 whole square, sir. Then this will contain 2ab, no, sir. So xy we know 6. So 12. 1600 minus 12 is equal to 15. 1588, sir. And we have to find square root of 1588.
You are telling to square on both the side of this.
Not
Yes, sir.
square,
If you are
sir.
doing that, this will become 16x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4, which is equal to
Plus 4x square y
1600.
1600.
अब क्या
1600.
करेंगे यार? हाँ,
No,
Sir,
sir.
we can write 4x square as 2x to
correct,
the
sir, correct.
2x whole square, sir.
Plus 8 times of x square y square equal to 1600. You want to replace this xy with 6, so 36 to be multiplied to 8. At the most, what we get is 16x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 equal to 1600 minus 8 times of 36. बाद में क्या करेंगे? So we got stuck there.
Sir,
Sir,
how
we
should
should not multiply
I
4x
understand?
plus y whole square, sir. We should multiply whole square multiply 2x plus y, sir.
Yes, sir. We can write 4x square plus y square as 2x plus y whole square.
2x plus y. कैसे लिख सकते हैं यार? We cannot write like that. It will be 2x whole square plus y square. It cannot be
No,
2x
sir.
plus y
Not,
whole square.
no, sir. I'm adding 2ab both sides, sir, not squaring.
You want to add it here. You want to add.
Yes, sir.
Add what? Plus
2ab, sir.
times of
2 times of 6.
2xy you want to add equal to 40 plus 2xy.
Yes, sir.
What is the use of doing like this?
So, sir, we know value equal to 6. So 4x square plus 20, 12 is equal to 52.
50 will come, sir.
What is the use? I don't understand the use. This at the most
No,
it becomes 12 equal to 40 plus 12. Again, it's the same equation. No,
no,
if you
sir.
transpose it,
2x
it is the same equation.
2x plus 2x multiplied to y multiplied to 2 will give 4 multiplied to
I'm not convinced with that. शायद ये सही है. We get a quadratic equation. We have to solve the quadratic equation. We get pair of solutions. It can be 8, 4. It can be minus 8, minus 4. If you take it as 1 and minus 6, the answer will become minus 8 and minus 4. So, a possibility. This answer is correct as far as I'm concerned. कोई नहीं, we'll think. You also think and note this answer. Okay? The answer is 8 and 4 or minus 8 and minus 4. All right. तो बोलो यार.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We shall think later. According to me, the answer which is there here, it's not having any problem. This
8 and 4.
8 and 4 or minus 8 and minus 4 could be the answer. I will also think, you also keep thinking. Moving further, we have to find the product here. It is x minus 1 by x multiplied to x plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x square multiplied to x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. You have to go in a sequence. First, you multiply these two by using identity. We all know that
b square plus
a
b,
minus
b
b
square minus b square.
a plus b is a
A
square
square minus B square,
A
sir.
minus b
square minus
square.
B square.
So we can use this identity and it becomes x square minus 1 by x square.
Yes, sir.
This is multiplied with x square plus 1 by x square, further multiplied to x to the power 4 minus, sorry, plus 1 by x to the power 4. Further we can use for these two.
The same identity, sir.
Same identity can be used. So when we use the identity, it becomes x to the power 4 minus 1 by x to
Minus
the
1
power
by
4.
x to the power 4.
This is retained as it is. It is x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Once again, we can use
Yes, sir.
identity for these two.
Same, sir. Same
X
for
to the power 8
to the power
minus 1 by x to
6.
the power 8.
By x to the power 8.
And this will be the answer. Understood?
Sir,
We have
8 will
used
not.
this identity.
Sir, can I switch on my camera and explain the previous question?
Yes, you can.
Yes, sir.
Or if you want me to give permission for annotation, you can use this annotation.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, it will be x to the power 8 or 16?
Sir, it will be 16.
16,
X to
huh?
the power 16.
4
Yes, sir.
4 into 4
Sir, can I annotate?
4 into 4 is equal to x to the power 16.
16.
X to the power 4 whole square. What does it mean?
X to the power 16.
X to the power
X to the
16.
power 4 is
X to the
multiplied to
power
x
8,
to the
sir.
power 4. This is x to the power of 4 plus 4. Is x to the power 8. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Or you can also think like this: a to the power of m to the power n is a to the power of m into n. So when we use this, it is x to the power of 4 into 2, which is 8.
8. Yes, sir.
Okay. Abhinav, you want to try this annotation?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, there is no annotation.
You
Option
have
is
that
not there.
option, Abhinav
No,
Patil.
sir. So, sir, I'll explain my mouth only, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, 4x square plus y square is equal to 40. xy we know is equal to 6.
Now, if you want, you tell, I'll write. Then we will see whether it's correct.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Tell.
4x square plus y square is equal to 40.
Okay.
We know xy is equal to 6, sir.
Okay.
We need to find 2xy and 2x minus y. 2x plus y, 2x minus y, sir.
Okay.
Sir, now what I will do is, sir, I can write to 4x square plus y square. We can write as 2x plus y whole square is equal to 40 plus 2x in x 2xy, sir.
4x square plus y square, you will write it as
2x plus y whole square.
इसे लिख सकते हैं. If you expand this now, let me tell you.
Add in right terms, sir.
If you expand this, What do we get? 4x square we get,
And 2
plus 4
also,
plus
sir.
y square we get, plus 4 times of xy we get. So this can be expressed this can be expressed as 2x plus y whole square minus 4xy, which is equal to 40. Correct? You will agree
Yes,
with
sir.
me?
No,
Why
no,
no?
sir, I did not got this, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me tell.
Correct, sir.
Yes, sir. 2x
Observe
square
this.
plus y square plus 4.
Observe this. Here
Yes,
we
sir.
have 4x square plus y square. In the given question also there is 4x square plus y square.
Yes, sir.
This can be written as 2x plus y whole square and transpose this minus 4xy. So this has absolutely no problem. Therefore,
Yes, sir.
this can be 2x plus y whole square, which is equal to 40 plus 4 times of xy.
20,
xy ki 6, no?
24, sir. 24.
So this
Yes,
becomes
sir.
24 added to 40, which will be
64. 64, sir.
64.
64.
64.
So
Yes, sir.
2x
Then
plus
Like this,
6 whole square is 64.
60.
So the value of
2x
2x plus 6 can be plus or minus 8. In the earlier
Sir, not
in the
use
earlier
2x
also
plus
I have said it is plus 8 or minus 8. I said it. So answer is correct. So this is another method. Good that
Sir,
good that you have come with this solution.
sir,
Now
can
what
you
I do is I'll explain. Let
Explain
me
one second, sir.
consider 2x minus y whole square. Observe only this green colored one. I am taking 2x minus y whole square. I am using the identity.
2x square
This becomes
4x
4x square
4x square plus y square, sir.
plus y square minus
minus 2y.
Minus
4
Yes,
times
sir.
22.
of xy.
Minus 20.
Say it.
Plus 20.
Minus 12, sir.
Minus
Minus 12, sir.
plus 20.
Because
Yes.
This is as
y
per
sir
the
4x
yes, sir.
identity. A square is 4x whole square, 4x square. B square is or y square. 2ab term is 2 into 2x into y, which is minus 4xy. A minus b whole square is a square plus b
Yes, sir.
square minus 2ab. So if I want to retain this, if I want to retain only this one, this will become 4x square plus y square, which will be equal to 2x minus y whole square. Now it becomes plus 4xy. I am transposing negative 4xy to the left hand side. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
I
sir.
have,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
I have
Okay.
It is easy method, sir.
It is easy method. They have given 4x square plus y square value, which is 40. So 40
yes, sir. Yes, sir. They given there.
equal to 2x minus y whole square plus 4 times of xy, 4 times of 6, which is
24, sir.
24. So
24, sir.
2x minus y whole square will be equal to 16. So answer क्या होगा? It will be plus or
4.
minus 4.
Yes, sir.
So this is another easy method. You want me to write this properly?
Yes, sir.
sir,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
we can do this
We
now, sir.
wanted to.
Okay.
If we square root on
Let me
both
write
sides,
this. Now the answer, detailed answer I am going to write. Now let us take 2x plus y whole square. Let us use this identity. This will be equal to 2x whole square
4x
plus
square
y
plus
square
y square.
plus 2 times of 2x into y. सही है? A plus b whole
Yes,
square. So 2x plus y whole square will be equal to 4x square plus y square
y square.
plus 4xy. So 2x plus y whole square will be equal to, instead of this 4x square plus y square, let us substitute 40 plus 4 times of 6. Now we got 64. Therefore, 2x plus y will be equal to plus or minus root of 64, which is plus or minus 8. We got the value of 2x plus y. Now let us take 2x minus y whole square, which is 2x whole square plus y square minus 2
Your
times
voices
of
are breaking, sir.
2x
Your voice is
into
breaking.
y. Voice is breaking. Now, is it clear now?
Sir, your voices are breaking, sir.
Try to observe this.
Sir,
what is
your
happening
voice is
here.
breaking.
Probably now you will be able to hear.
Yes, sir.
4x square plus y square minus 4xy. Now you substitute. This will be 40 minus 24, which is 16. So 2x minus y will be
4,
equal
sir.
to plus or minus
4,
root
sir.
of 16, which is plus or minus 4. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
a
Plus or
easy
minus 4.
method. Okay, the previous method, it is not a wrong method, but it's a quadratic equation which you will learn in
Yes, sir.
higher class. For you, this
Yes,
is
sir.
easy.
Confused.
Okay, good that Abhinav
Okay.
has brought this answer. He
Thank you,
wanted
sir.
to say something, it has come right. Very good.
Hmm.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, try this.
Simplify.
I'll explain this. You also try. LPC. ಇವತ್ತು ಹೋಗೋದಿದೆಯಾ? ವಾಸು
Sir, x to the power 4 minus bracket x plus 1 bracket close and one more bracket close.
ಅದು ತಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
Sir, x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1.
No, sir. X to the power minus x minus 1.
X raised to 4 plus x square minus x plus 2.
Sir, x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I have also got the
X
same
to the
answer.
power 4 plus x square plus 1, sir. I also got same answer, sir.
No, sir. Sir,
Yes,
here it is a plus b into a minus b, sir. We have to do a square minus b square.
ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ಲಾ?
Yes.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆದು
So
ಬಿಡಿ.
minus x into minus x will be plus.
Sir,
We
we got
have to
answer as
expand and
x
multiply.
to the power 4 plus
X to the power 4 plus x
plus
square
1.
plus 1.
ಹಾ.
Yes, sir. X to the
Yeah,
power
this
4
is correct
x
answer.
square plus
X
1.
to the power 4
Plus
Plus
x
x
square
square
plus 1,
plus
sir.
1.
plus x square plus 1.
Plus 1, sir.
Sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
We got
Yes, sir.
same answer we got, sir.
Mine's also
So
kept
we
that
got
only.
x to the power
Correct.
4 minus x squares.
Yes, sir. Sir, we should
Let me
expand.
try
Sir,
an easy
we have to
method.
expand and multiply.
Yes, sir. You should
Yes, sir.
expand
Yes, sir.
and multiply, sir.
Instead of doing that, I have a easy method. I will write like this. The same question I will write like this. I have not altered the question. This is same. Here there is plus x, here there is minus x. So x square plus 1 whole square minus x square. I am using a plus b into a minus b identity. Now if I expand this, it's x to the power 4 plus 1 minus 2x square minus x square. The answer is x to the power 4 plus 1 minus 3x square.
No,
How did you get this answer
No,
here?
sir.
Sir, I have expanded all the
I made a
Yes,
mistake,
sir.
correct. This
Even
is
I have
plus.
expanded, sir.
This is
I
plus.
have
did same, sir.
expanded, sir. We have I expanded, sir, answer, and we
So
get
we get this as
x
plus. Yes, your answer and this answer are same, correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If
Correct.
you expand also, you will get the same thing, but 3 times you need to multiply.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Sir, I used the same identity, but I did it in a different way.
A plus b into a minus b only have used.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. A square minus b square.
Sir, I have done x square whole square minus x plus 1 whole square.
Sir, we
X
can't do,
square
sir,
whole
because
square.
three numbers are there, 3 times.
No, probably she has taken this as x square plus x plus 1 as one term and x square minus of x minus 1 as another term.
Yes,
Did
sir.
you take like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, if you use, you will get the same thing. This will be
Yes,
minus
sir.
of x minus 1 whole square. So x to the power 4 minus, when you expand this, it is x square minus 1 minus of minus becomes plus 2x. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, something is wrong
No,
here.
sir.
X square will become plus x, no, sir. Then 3x will happen.
Yes, sir, using identity.
A minus b,
Plus 1, sir.
a plus b into a minus b. When you expand this, you will get minus x square.
Plus 1 should be there, I think so, sir. Plus 1.
Plus 1.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
I
Plus
think
1.
follow, sir,
Plus 1.
using identities.
No,
So plus
both the
1.
terms are positive, but there is minus of. So these two will become negative.
So minus 1 into minus 1 will give plus 1.
Then plus 1 into minus will happen minus 1.
See, what I have done is x to the power 4 minus of. Expand this, x square plus 1 minus 2x. Now this minus is to be multiplied to all the 3 terms. I have multiplied. Where is it
Yes, sir.
getting wrong? Where is the mistake?
Sir, x square you have
Question
to
you have to keep the 2
make
minus,
it
sir.
x in
Sir,
bracket only,
here
sir, I think.
Sir,
yes,
it must be plus, sir.
Eh,
X minus 1,
sir,
sir.
sir,
X plus 1, sir, it is. Yes, sir. Sir, you had made mistake
No.
in question, sir.
X square plus
Yes, sir.
1 is
Sir,
taken
It's
common, x plus 1.
Sorry. Sir, in
X
in
square
question you have
Take
minus
x
first.
plus
1 is
1 whole
taken
square.
common, x minus 1.
X plus 1 whole square,
Sir,
sir.
X plus 1 should come now.
Yes, sir.
Sir, instead of doing so much, we can multiply
X
binomial.
plus 1 whole square.
Plus
Sir,
1, sir,
X
x
plus
plus
1
1.
it should.
Sir,
So,
multiply directly, sir.
yes, sir. X plus 1, sir.
Binomial equals binomial, sir.
Minus
so
into
it,
minus.
the thing written here itself is wrong.
Yes, sir. It should be x plus 1.
We cannot use the identity if you write in this way. This is, if you consider this as A, this is B, this is not B. Here it is x minus 1, here it is x
minus 1.
plus
No,
1.
sir. In the question.
Plus 1.
It should
It
be
is
X
Sir, in the
one.
question it is given plus 1.
Plus 1, sir. Yeah.
But we have taken minus as common, no? Minus is taken common.
Sir, plus into minus is equal to
Sir,
minus.
directly multiply the trinomials, sir. Solution will be there.
Yes, sir. That is simplest
Directly
method.
if you multiply, you will get this
Identity.
answer.
Yes, sir. Don't use
Or
identity.
else if you are using the
Question
identity,
solved.
this negative term, separately you write it.
Yes, sir. Question is
Then you
solved.
will get like a plus b into a minus b. Then absolutely this answer is correct. Here we cannot use the identity because this b term is different. Think. I will also think. Then we will do this ink. All right. The time is up. We shall continue.